That's the key.
That's key.
Chop. Get that so thinly sliced
Like
that
little
when you just put your fork in, it just doesn't go all over your face and everything. Like it's just.
Carla Gayton, what is your favorite salad? Mine is just kale with lemon and black pepper. You should try it. That's so cute.
It's such a question for you.
For me? Oh, because I love salad. Damn, that's good. Jesus, I love salad.
Praise the Lord, Jesus. Thank you for making salad.
I seriously cannot get enough salad, and I love all different types of salads. Get some gains. Party in my mouth. I love this. Yeah, kale with lemon and pepper is delicious for sure. I love that.
That salad seems like it's lacking gains.
I would put some olive oil too, I think. But yeah, and also some like meat or something.
Kale, what is it? Kale, black pepper, and lemon. So you're eating 0 calories?
Yeah, I would add a lot of things to that. If I had to pick a favorite salad, I like arugula as the favorite lettuce. And then, I don't know, like, how do you pick a favorite? Because we make our salads different every single day. Like, we never have the same salad twice.
Big ass salads, recipes on teamoflean.com.
But we vary the different vegetables and different proteins and stuff that are in it. So it's a little bit different.
So basically, like, to give you the breakdown of our big ass salad, you take a big ass bowl, you take a big ass handful of lettuce, spinach, arugula, you throw it in.
Well, I chop it.
Chop it, that's the key.
That's key.
Chop. Get that so thinly sliced
like
that when you just put your fork in, it just doesn't go all over your face and everything. Like it's just, you eat it.
He hates when food touches like his face.
I ain't down with that.
Yeah.
Food,
so funny.
Food belongs in my mouth, not on
everywhere.
my face.
So and then you add some protein, you add some veggies.
And then like some nuts, throw a bunch of nuts in there and
And you add some dressing.
Get some gains.
Yeah. Oh, you know what is another one salad recipe that's a favorite of mine is that Tabouli salad, the abtastic grain-free Tabouli salad that I made recently. Oh, yes. Right? How much did I freaking love that? Oh, love it.
Life. Salad is life.
It has lemon in it. Yeah. So if you're in Team Live Lean, check out that recipe. Abtastic Tabouli.
All right, if you're ready to live lean, go get our free 7-day Live Lean starter guide. You'll discover the workout and the nutrition secrets to simplify your journey to healthy and sustainable results that last forever. So the starter guide includes a 7-day workout schedule comprised of 7 Live Lean workouts focused on fat burning, lean muscle building, athleticism, and mobility. And every workout includes exercise demo videos. You'll also receive a free 7-day Live Lean meal plan, which includes step-by-step cooking videos for every single recipe. So go join thousands of others and get this free instant access to all this, plus our 5 steps to start living lean today. Click the link to sign up for free in the description below. Question of the day. What is your favorite salad hack to make your salads taste delicious? Share your experiences in the comment section below. Now I want you to go watch this video right over here on the 3 secrets to make freaking awesome salad.